Hello everyone. Today I will explain exercise 3.1. In previous video I told you about the data handling, mean, mode, median and range. First question, find the range of height of any 10 student of your class. Means you take 10 height. So in your class 40 student is there. You take only 10 student height. Height of 10 students equal to have the 123 centimeter, 114.5 centimeter, 110 centimeter, 105 centimeter, 133 centimeter, 141 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 110.5 centimeter. The range, asking range I told you the difference. Range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value of the observation. Means here first of all you will see all the values. First of all you will arrange in ascending order. You will arrange this data in ascending order. Ascending order, I told you, ascending order means smallest to greatest. Means you see which number is very small, 102 centimeter. After that 105 centimeter. After that 110 centimeter. After that 110.5 centimeter. Then 114.5 centimeter, and after that 121 centimeter, then 123 centimeter. After that 132 centimeter, 133 centimeter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After that you write the formula of range. Range means highest height minus highest 141 centimeter, smallest or 2 11 minus 2 9, 3 minus 0 3 39 centimeter. Means find the range of height of any 10 student of your class asking. So we have taken 10 student of height in my class, 123 centimeter, 114.5 centimeter, 110 centimeter, 105 centimeter, 133 centimeter, 141 centimeter, 132 centimeter, 121 centimeter, 110.5 centimeter, 102 centimeter. After that we have arranged this height in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. After that range We know that the difference between the highest and the lowest value of the observation. So range equal to highest height minus smallest height equal to 141 centimeter minus 102. Highest 141, smallest 102 centimeter. Difference means minus 39 centimeter. Clear? It is the first question. Now I will tell you second question, and after that you will do other question. If you have any problem, you can ask, because in all the questions of first exercise asking mean, range, maximum two question is there. So organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form: 4 6 7 5 3 5 4 5 2 6 2 5 1 9 6 5 8 4 6 7. In question number 2, 4 part is there. The first part, which number is the highest? First of all, this data we will arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. The very small number 1. 1 how much? 1. 2. 2 times 3. 3 4 1 2 3 4 comma 4 comma 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 5 1 2 6 4 times 1 2 3 7 1 2 7 1 7 1 2 2 times 8 1 time 9 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 19 20 data is there. First question, which number is the highest? The highest number means 9. Second one, which number is the lowest? The lowest number 1. Highest means greater. Which number is greater? Lowest means smallest. Small number means in all the data which number is very small. In all data which number is greater. Clear? Range. In first question I told you range. How you will find range? Range we will know the difference between highest value and lowest value. Range formula: highest marks minus smallest mark equal to highest 9, smallest 1 equal to 8. Clear? Clear to you? Last one asking find the arithmetic mean. Fourth part, arithmetic mean. Mean means sum of all values upon number of values. Means whatever data is there, that data you will do, you find average, but there is so many marks is there, 1 marks, 2 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks, 7 marks, 8 marks, 9 marks. So in first question there was asking first highest number 9, second one lowest number 1, range difference between highest marks and lowest marks. Same mean means sum of observation upon number of observations, means sum of all observation means all the data you will do plus, and number of observation means how much number you have you are doing plus, means 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 20 20 the mean plus 2 1 3 3 2 5 3 8 4 12 16 plus 4 20 20 20 30 30 40 40 45 45 plus 6 51 51 plus 6 57 57 plus 6 63 3 plus 6 69 69 plus 7 76 76 plus 7 83 83 plus 8 91 91 plus 9 100 equal to 5, mean equal to 5. It was the second question solution. In second question 4 part was there. In first part highest marks was asking, second lowest marks was asking, in third range asking, and in fourth part mean. So and other question you will solve. If you have problem you can ask in comment box. And next, now second exercise, first question, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of students is as follows: 19 25 23 29 20 15 10 5 16 25 20 24 12 20, means 25 student given test, they are getting these marks. Find the mode and median of this data. After that you see are they same, means both result is coming same or not. First of all, I told you, if mean mode median range asking, so first of all that whatever data is given there, that data you will arrange in ascending order. First of all, your first work you will do arrange data in ascending order. Ascending order, ascending order means smallest to greatest. So first of all you see which number is small, very small number 5 5. After that 5 how much, 1. Then after that 9. After that 10 10 12 After that, after 12, 15, 16, then 16, 16, 16, after that 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, after that 19 is also there, 19, 20, after that 23, 23, 24, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Clear? So find the mode. Mode means you will see in that data which number frequency is coming maximum time. Maximum time means 5 one time, 9 one time, 10 one time, 12 one time, 15 one time, 16 one time, 9 one time, 20 1 2 3 4 4 time, 23 one time, 24 one time, 25 two time. Means 20 is coming maximum time, means 4 time. That is a mode. If mode is asking, there is no solution, only you will do arrange that data in ascending order. After that you will see which number is coming maximum time, that is a mode. Clear? Next one is asking median. Median total n equal to 15. It is a odd. For odd formula, n plus 1 by 2 observation. So 15 plus 1 by 2 observation. 16 by 2 2 8 is 60 equal to 8th observation. So 8 means in 8th place which number is there, you see. Eighth place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Median equal to 20. Mode is coming 20, median is coming 20. Question is asking, are they same? So yes, they are same. Clear? So in other question in this exercise asking mode, median, range. So all I told you, you will solve it. If you have any problem, you can ask. But first of all, you solve this. In this question, mode and median is asking. The mode if asking, first of all you arrange data in ascending order. Clear? Mode 20 because 20 is coming maximum time, that is the mode. Median n equal to 15 is odd. So odd formula we know that n plus 1 by 2 observation, n equal to 15, n place we will 15 plus 1 by 2 16 by 2, 2 8 is 16, 8th observation 20. Yes, they are same. Clear? Okay, thank you student.